What steps can I take to troubleshoot my Xbox Live subscription issue?
Hello there, gaming enthusiasts. If you're having trouble with your Xbox Live subscription, you've come to the right place. We're going to guide you step by step through the process to resolve the most common subscription issues.
Do I have an active subscription?
First things first, you need to check your subscription status. Here's how. 1. Sign in to your Microsoft account. 2. Scroll down to the Services and Subscriptions section. Here, you will see all the Microsoft services you're subscribed to, including Xbox Live. 3. Look for your Xbox Live subscription. If it shows expired, you'll need to renew it.
Are there payment issues?
If your subscription is active but you're still having issues, it could be a payment problem. 1. Look for any payment error messages on the Services and Subscriptions page. 2. If there are errors, update your payment method. You might need to add a new payment method or update an existing one. 3. Once the payment method is updated, try to make the payment again.
Are there connectivity issues?
The problem might be with your internet connection. 1. Test your Xbox Live connection. Go to Settings, Network Settings, test Xbox Live connection. 2. If there are connectivity issues, reset your router and try connecting again. 3. If the problem persists, contact your internet service provider.
Is my Xbox console up to date?
If all else fails, make sure your Xbox console is updated. 1. Go to Settings, System, Updates and Downloads. 2. If an update is available, download and install it. Sometimes, an outdated console can cause problems with Xbox Live. Hopefully, these steps help you resolve your Xbox Live subscription issues. Happy gaming, and remember, every problem has a solution, so don't let subscription issues get in the way of your conquests.